In deze 5e aflevering van de Week van de Limburgse Popmuziek gaan we naar Geleen, waar in de tuin van Pop in Limburg de band Walden speelt.
She's shining all the time, breaking her shoe laws, but love is on her mind. She comes in a warm-hearted fool. When the Calvary comes, she worries about my life. To you, we're breaking her bones up for the best of you. And all she ever got, just gotta give it to you. We're breaking her bones up for the best of you. She worries about my life.
Het weer zat deze week niet altijd mee. In Venray trokken regenwolken over het Odapark. Daarom verhuisden we met Ethan Huis naar binnen.
Langs mij op keyboard Jori van Gemert. En ook op zang natuurlijk. En mijn naam is Ethan Huis. Don't stand too tall, little bee, an ugly fall, little bird, little bird. Keep your voice down low. It will tell you where to go, little bird, little bird. Keep your eyes on the floor, never ask for something more. Keep your wings to your side, never reaching for the sky. Eat, sleep, work and pray, try to blend in with the gray, little bird. Don't pull the covers off. Only walk in a straight line, never wonder in your mind, little bird, little bird. They will mold and they will knit you right into a proper fit, little bird, little bird. Only speak when spoken to, look closely at what others do. Move yourself through the streets to the rhythm of the beat. Don't stand in their light, shrink yourself to bucket size, little bird. Pull the covers up. Oh, you watch the grass grow from your window. So slow, you sit and watch the weather change. Don't stand above the crowd too high. They will cut you down to size. Follow the outline paths and routes. Do as they expect you to.
Little bird, what you see and what you heard. Don't look up at the sky with lust. Little bird, your ambition is absurd. You're just a tiny little speck of dust.
You watch the grass grow from your window. So slow, you sit and watch the weather change. Change, you know. You watch the grass grow from your window. So slow, you sit and watch the weather change.
Morgen weer een nieuwe aflevering over de week van de Limburgse popmuziek.